Yo, we talking about groceries on FBA. Yo, easy. Yeah. J to the O, the Mayos. Groceries on FBA. What you know about that? Step your game up, suck it.
Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about Tactical Arbitrage. This is a great tool that has been around for a few months now. We've been using it since the very beginning, and it's a great tool, and I just wanted to share a little overview of how it works and how we use it and how you may be able to use it. And you know, we've created some great things that can be used with Tactical Arbitrage, categories that would take a long time to build yourself that we've built for you for specific stores, but we'll get into that later. So Tactical Arbitrage is one of the newest tools for doing online arbitrage and possibly even retail arbitrage. So the way it works is you go to the site. This is the main site where you sign up, and after you have an account and log in, you'll be able to select, currently it's about 160 sites right now, and you can go to those sites and select the category you want and enter the data and enter your sorting data, the ROI you want, the rank you want to stay under, and a ton of other options. And then it's going to go there and look at every item in that category you selected, and it's going to only save the ones that you want. It's going to compare it to Amazon. It's going to put it in a separate list, and then you'll be able to download that list if you choose, and then make your purchases. So it's a great automated tool that will run in the background. You don't have to be using it. It doesn't work off of your computer. It works off of the servers. And you can also do those in bulk. You can upload a list of bulk categories, and it will do that in the background and run for up to 24 hours. Nearly every day they are adding new stores. So right now I said there's 160 today, but tomorrow there may be a whole lot more. So I'm just going to go over the main page. This would be your sign-up page, and go over some of the top points here. So as we said, you're going to select a store. It will filter your data, select your ROI, select your ranks, select a lot of other features, and it's going to put your results into a new page. So as you can see here, this is your product search. You're going to select your store name. You're going to select the category. It's going to ask you what page you want to start on. Usually it's going to be 1, and up to however many pages there are on that page. So you're going to go to that page and you're going to look and see, well, there's 20 pages of information. I want to do them all. We're going to start on 1. We're going to end on page 5. If you have coupons, you can enter the information here. You can remove things over a certain rank. You can remove products that have a certain amount of sellers, remove oversized products, and a lot more information. And then after it's done doing the search, this is what the data is going to look like. But of course you can download it as a CSV. It was created by a friend of mine named Alex Moss, who lives in Australia, and he has a whole team of programmers that work nonstop. This is a full-time job for all of them, and they do a lot of work to get rid of all the bugs and add new features and new sites nearly daily. One of the great things about this tool is that it has an advanced feature where if you have any XPath or programming experience, you will be able to do it on your own sites. You don't even have to use the sites that they have. You can either hire somebody or do it yourself and put all of that information in there, and if there's a site that's not supported, you can add your own site and you'll be the only one who has access to it. They do have a 1-week trial. They have 2 things: the main script, which is the actual searches, and the review script. So the review script is built into the main script, so it's included. You get a 1-week trial. The tool does cost $99 a month, and I believe the review script is $7 a month. So we talked about what the main script does. What the review script does is it will look at reviews. So if you have an item that has a lot of different, if it has a lot of different variations, you know, like a pair of shoes that has 10 colors and 20 sizes, you're going to be able to, you wouldn't know how many of each one is selling, and you still won't, but what it will do is look at all the reviews, the total amount of reviews for each one, and give you a percentage that, you know, this color and this style got 3% of the items, and this one had 10%. So you'll know if an item you think is selling 20 a day, you'll know what percentage of that roughly got that many reviews. So if it has that percentage of reviews, it probably has that percentage of sales. So it gives you a lot more information that's going to help you out. So you just scroll down to the bottom or click on any of the buttons that say sign me up, and you can sign up for your free trial. It goes through PayPal, and you will be able to get you know, try it for 7 days, cancel it if you don't like it by then. In a week, you'll be able to know if it's something that you can use or not. So I would definitely suggest, you know, when you have a few days to work on this, to definitely give it a try and see how it works out for you. We're going to do just a quick look at the at how the actual tool works, and then we're going to get in upcoming videos. We'll go in depth into each one of the sites and how you can use the tool. So once you're logged in, you can go to membership and main script, and then you can you'll come to this page. So here we are on the main page. You can select any of these sites. There are a ton of sites, as you can see. At this current time, it's 160, but it does grow every single day. So here is, on the product search, I've selected ToysRUs.com. So we would need a category next. So if we go over to Toys R Us, we can go and look at any category. On the right-hand side, it will tell you what format it needs to be in. Some just have a category ID number you have to pull. Some use the full link. So this is just a full web link, so we can go and look at, we're just going to look at action figures and hero play. And we have to go to the page that has the actual items on it. So this is just categories with subcategories on it. We'll click on the Ninja Turtles to get to, okay, then we'll go to action figures. You have to get to the list of actual products. You can't click on one of the main ones that has all the subcategories. So here we are on the products. As you can see here, it runs at a rate of 24 products per page. So we have to make sure we're on 24 products, which is usually the default, and we can see that it goes up to 8 pages. So we're going to have a start page of 1, and the last page will be 8. And we'll copy the link to go to, and then you can just click on last filter settings if you already have settings set up, and you can enter any of this information you want. Reduce by a certain percentage, sales tax, which would add to the price, remove ranks over whatever you set, remove products with more than a certain amount of sellers, remove oversize, remove out of stock, include shipping price and totals of merchant fulfilled sellers, remove products with an Amazon price of less than a certain amount, remove products in Amazon with certain keywords, remove from the source title when searching on Amazon. So if any words were in the title, any of the words you enter, they could be removed. Add to source title when searching on Amazon. Also calculate FBA return if Amazon sales price is at least a certain amount of times of the store price. Cost to prep your standard product. So this will add a certain dollar amount for standard and oversized. So if you're sending it to a prep center and they cost $1, $1.25, whatever the price is, you can add that to it right there. Cost per pound to ship, it's going to add that to the price. Only keep data if gross profit is at least a certain amount. Only keep if ROI is a certain amount. And also show the no match or only see the no match. So once you select those options or click on use last filter settings, you can click on submit, and it's going to go to that link right over here on the right hand side, and it will start doing the search. Now there is also the use bulk option here, which will let you upload a file, which will be a whole list of the category information, and we'll get into that in another video. And as you can see, it's going down the list and checking each product one at a time. And once it starts pulling those good products, it's going to take us to, we'll be able to look at this view data page that's going to have all the information, where it found it at, the title, the image from the source and the image at Amazon, pricing, Amazon's title, Amazon category, ASINs, UPCs, buy box prices, if it's eligible for Prime, the amount of sellers, in new condition, weight, the product size, rank, all that information. You can sort it. You can remove the items right here. You can select here for to add the items to your saved list, or you can select the items over here and click on Save Selected. And that's about it for this introduction video. We'll have a lot more coming on Tactical Arbitrage, and if you want anything covered, please contact us. We have made some bulk lists for doing bulk uploading for many of these stores, including Toys R Us, Walmart, Target, Home Depot. We're adding more and more every day. You can see those at gumroad.com/Sean Mayo. They started only about $20, and some are a little more, and if you buy them in bulk, there's also some bulk deals, and you can save a ton of time. Some of them have thousands of categories all in one file that you'll be able to create a bulk list and have them upload. That could take countless hours to be able to make those. So definitely check that out if you're starting to get into Tactical Arbitrage. If not, there's a 7-day free trial, no affiliate or anything. Just go to tacticalarbitrage.com, and we'll have the link in the description as well. Thanks for watching.